Boys and girls, it is the first day of the year. First green of the year. So yeah, we're here at Monterey, playing 9 holes. Let's do it. So I'm a bit late. This thing is super wet. Let me set up really quick. Set up out here. They changed part 1. Wait, are we supposed to tee up from here now? Alright, we have a 280 par 4. Here. I'll go ahead and give this guy a shot. Straight up the middle, bro. Oh, yes, dude. That felt great, bro. Straight there on the green. Yeah. Take that, newbie. Okay, so we landed right here. Absolutely amazing contact on that first strike. I think you can see the ball. Yep. I got my rangefinder out. Looks like it's let me go ahead and put the battery in. Flag. Another 96 meters. Right, another 100 meters to the flag. So for me, this is a par 4. So I'm actually gonna hit my favorite club, 56. I'm gonna go with the 56, and I'm really just gonna attempt to stay out of the sand. That was basically perfect. I wish I would have gave it a little more aim, but I think it did roll in. So from here, I got some mud on my thing. I gotta clean up. I took a pretty nice divot. Oh, I didn't take much of a divot, so I kind of chunked it. I hit it fat, but that's all good. Yeah, but let's keep it going. I think I'm only about 20 yards off the green. If I would have put a little more power on it, probably would have got there. So. But so far, both strikes, contacts have been completely straight. I haven't had too much of a challenge. And yeah, let's keep it going. No drivers. Well, it's about 30 meters, 30 yards or so. I'm just gonna do a nice little bam into it, adding a little more loft than I would normally. No power. What a weight. It looks like it's almost straight. I have to put a little bit of speed behind it. Might go for a 2-putt here. Oh, slightly off. Okay, so this is for par. I'm gonna tap it in. 1 tap par. This is a part of the game. Very happy. Actually, a worm over there stopped the ball, so grateful. That's 5 strikes. Yeah, easy bogey. Let's keep it going. Yeah, so as I was saying, I wish you guys would have saw me dunk that beautiful chip shot, but it's okay. We're here now. I'm on hole number 3 now. This is actually one of my favorite holes. It's only 135. I'm going to go with my 7. I haven't hit any irons today, so wish me luck. chunk down on it. Looks good, looks good. There's a massive water trap down at the bottom, aka sand trap, but thank God that tree helped absolutely save me. I'm gonna do another practice shot just for the fun of it. It's the yellow ball here. Swing the hips more. And that one got on the green. It curved off the fence onto the green. So yeah, I like the 7. My contact support is amazing. Every single strike. Okay, so thankfully I avoided the freaking sand water trap, death trap here. I got one ball over there I'm just gonna play around with, no biggie. And I'm on the other side of the sand trap, so let's go ahead and, you know, fill out my bad boy across the earth. Perfect chip. No! I swear, dude, it's so difficult sometimes. Okay, here we go. Get in the hole. How is this the hardest part for me? Yeah, this thing is so wet, you can just hear it losing all its power, momentum, but that was so much fun. On to the next hole. We're on hole 7. It's been pretty good. All of my putts have been really bad though. This guy is an absolute beast. I hit about 230 yards earlier, about 120 yards over the hole. So it's 140 yards. Try not to go too far again. I barely even tried too. Still running. It's still running. Okay, so that went about 70 yards. I definitely hit it a little fat. I'm gonna hit one more. I can see a blimp in the sky. It looks really cool. I gotta just remember to close that hip up. That's where my power and aim comes from. Head though, head has to stay down. What the hell? There we go. Can I get on the green, please? Alright, so we'll take that one. Not bad. This is like basically impossible for me. Shit. up a worm. I actually picked up a worm on that putt. I think the neighbors think I'm selling dope. All right, yo, I'm done for today. I gotta roll. I'm just gonna skip these last 2 holes. I'm gonna meet up with my boy. We're going to Griffith.